candies.
Open the card.
Where's the card? Open the card first. Open the card first.
Who's it from?
You always open the card first, baby. Always.
Get your thumb in there.
That's a present rule. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Look at mommy. Open it up.
I think it opens from the bottom, buddy.
This way. This way.
Got it.
Who's
What does
from?
it say?
It's from.
It's from Have a Real Nice Christmas, love, Auntie Connie?
Yeah.
Auntie Connie.
Yeah.
That's Alma's sister.
There, open it up, Bunkers. Thank you.
Come here. Come and stand back where you were,
here.
please.
Come over here so Mama can get it on the camera.
What is it?
Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
Look at that. That's
Oh.
cool.
Turn it around.
Nice.
What is it?
Do you want to
Buzz
put it on?
Lightyear?
Yeah, you better put it on.
Yeah.
Okay. And look at pants.
Oh boy.
Yes. Oh.
That's a
Very
pretty
Buzz
shiny
Lightyear
outfit.
outfit.
Yeah. I still got my gotchas on.